concept of gender is typically based on biology and assigned at birth based on a person's genetic makeup. Traditional Chinese medicine and practices like Qigong and Yin-Yang emphasize the interconnectedness of body and mind, and the balance of opposing forces. Gender goes beyond physical appearance and is expressed in multiple dimensions of human life. No matter what you wear or change your body part, an experienced TCM doctor can still tell what gender you are by just checking your pulse. Both male and female bodies are seen as complementary and interconnected, with each gender possessing unique strengths and attributes that contribute to the overall balance of yin and yang. While gender identity may be a subjective experience for some individuals, it's essential to acknowledge that gender cannot be easily changed to the opposite one. People may alter their physical appearance, but they cannot alter their yin-yang distribution, as doing so would disrupt their balance and result in negative consequences. By embracing the yin-yang concept and cultivating balance and harmony within the body and the mind, individuals can achieve greater health and well-being, regardless of gender identity.